The last few weeks has witnessed a lot happening in the country's medical sector, from the prolonged strike by medical doctors to the suspension of the residency training program in the country. Even though the suspension has been lifted, government says there is a great need to appraise the program to tackle some of the challenges observed in the program. These health management officials are gathered to help government come up with key recommendations on the issue.
The government is determined to make the residency program better in terms of being more focused, more productive, and ensuring that each graduate from the program is equipped with the knowledge, skills, and attitude that the accrediting authorities insisted at the onset.
Now, some of the officials say the appraisal will help greatly in addressing present challenges facing the residency training program.
This is a sort of a workshop where all the CMDAs are represented, where the other people in the Ministry of Health are represented, and also those of us who are political heads of these institutions. We want to see across board what is really happening and what can we do about it. And whatever we come up here now will be part of the input to the decision that will be taken by the Federal Ministry of Health and the government generally.
Most people look at residents as if they are workers, but actually they're actually in training. So it's a very good program to assess the residency program in various teaching hospitals in terms of funding, in terms of cost, content, in terms of quality of the kind of doctors, because these doctors are going to be consultants one day and they're going to treat our persons. So I think it's a welcome development.
The officials are optimistic the resident doctors will welcome this effort to improve the training program.
I think they'll be very glad about this, because I've had interactions with some residents and they're of the opinion that the program needs to be overhauled in terms of teaching, in terms of postings, overseas postings, in terms of funding by the government.
Some of the participants at this event say this appraisal should extend to other arms of the sector to ensure the needed transformation in the country's health sector. Lanre Lasese, Channels Television News.